This is how to constantly make profitable trades on the Bybit app. All right, now this is TradingView. I'm just going to show you a quick analysis on how to make consistent profits every single day trading Bybit futures. Now, the first thing you want to do is identify a downtrend. This is BTC. Identify a downtrend and ensure that you see a fair value gap opposite each other. Now, what do I mean opposite each other? You can see fair value gaps here. You can also see fair value gaps here. Now, the moment price breaks structure like this is called institutional order flow entry drill. The moment price breaks structure like this, the next thing you want to do is ensure that price comes back to some sort of supply level. All right. Now, these fair value gaps must be opposite each other. The reason for this is that when the whales or what we call institutional players, when they buy and sell aggressively almost immediately, it is a true essence that this level is valid. So it means that at this point, there's a strong supply currently ongoing at that level. All right, if they are buying and selling almost immediately, leaving fair value gaps, it means that there is a very strong supply at that particular level. So the next thing we want to do is to come down here to our lower time frame. This is 1 hour. Come down to lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes. Just come down there. Try and identify a trend shift. And the moment you see a trend shift, like what we have here, this is a very good example. The moment you see a trend shift, or what we call change of character, simply just come here and then take our entries from here. Take our entries here. And Viola will ride all the way down to the low of this point. To the low of this point. Now, taking such a trade will give you a very high risk to reward ratio. This risk to reward is looking like 1 to 5, 1 to 5.2. This is amazing, guys. This is practically amazing. 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. All right, you don't get this anywhere. This is a very, very, very massive trade. When you take this 1 to 5, because you've seen this already happening, big buy, big sell, just wait for price to come back into this supply zone, look for a change of character and begin to sell the market all the way down. How many days did this take? From the 25th, sorry, from the 6th to the 9th. 6th to 9th, that's just barely 3 days. So this is a very good day trading technique that you can use. So go on your own, back test this. And don't forget, when you sign up on Bybit using my link in the description of this video, you're actually going to be getting amazing bonuses, guys. You'll be getting so much of amazing bonuses for you. Okay? Yeah, so basically that's just the way this whole thing works. Now, I've identified another one here. Identified another one. Look at a big buy. And put this on 30 minutes. This is live, showing you now. Did we break structure? I think we did. But here's a big buy, all the same. big buy that broke structure. Viola, this is it. Big buy, big sell, broke structure. And then see how price just came back here to collect some liquidity. Price just did this. Big buy, big sell. This is live, I'm showing you. So I'm expecting that price would come back to some level of supply, and then give me a change of character in the lower time frame, let's say 5 minutes. So once I see a change of character now, I'm going all in. Once I spot a change of character now, listen guys, I'm going all in. Nothing is delaying me. I'm striking hard. I'm catching these wins. All right. So I'm going to see you in the next video. I'll be posting videos back to back like this so that you all can, use this information to become profitable. Cheers, guys. One love.